everybody, Kriegel Gaming here, and today we are playing Wormy, and as you can tell, this is my friend Chloe. So Chase is at a ball game right now, so he's not playing. Say hi, Chloe.
Hello.
Okay, let's find some generators. Oh, someone already got one. Oh, come on. I always think one of these. Oh, there's one in this camper. Right here. Meh.
Everybody watching this, listen to Coronavirus Old Town Road.
What?
Yeah, my little brother is 4 years old and he can sing every word to it.
Oh my god. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the channel. That would help. Thank you. Ah, that's Wormy!
Oh, God.
I found the hack. I'm getting in the bathroom.
Here, roar. You're gonna be dead.
Nope, he didn't roar. I'm fine. See ya, loser. He's still here, though. I can see his red light. Ah!
Oh, he's fine.
I don't know what they said. Ooh. No! Oh, there's one right there. Get us, quick! You stupid! Ah! Oh, purple dude. Purple dude, you better not mess this up.
He just saved us. He just saved other guys.
This is a camper.
We're in a spot.
Now we can't. But if he doesn't stop camping, we're gonna live forever. Camper! Yes! Yes! No! Chloe, run! Yes. Don't worry, I'll come. Struck by... Oh, he left.
Don't even stay here, just go.
I left. Okay.
You left the game?
No!
Oh,
Here.
fine. Oh, it's right here.
Right here. This is the last one.
Did you catch the number?
No. I saw it earlier, though.
Me too. We right where we started off.
And I don't
Go
even
look
know
for
where
the
the
number.
phone is.
And I'll call the phone when you find it.
Okay. Oh, wait, you know where the phone is?
Yeah.
Oh, I see Wormy. It is 597. Did you call it? Yep.
Yep, I just called it.
The helicopters.
The helicopters are coming to rescue us.
Yay.
I'm on a camping center.
I need to charge my phone. I need my charger.
I'm on a camping center right now.
Nope.
Oh, it's right here.
Bring down your ladder. Thank you. Bye. Everyone escaped.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and so basically what you do is build a boat. Yeah.
For treasure.
So Chloe, have you ever played this game before?
Yes, and I'm a bot at it. I don't know how to play.
Here, let's make a houseboat. But leave, like, some blocks so you can still have a boat. Where's my motor? I need my motor. It's changed a bit, by the way. So, where'd that go? Where'd that thing go? What? They just disappeared. Chloe, did you do something?
No.
This is not the houseboat. This is just a boat that I'm building. Do you have an iPhone or Android?
I have a retarded phone.
Android?
It's an LG G5.
Oh. Okay, wait. This is the boat for now. Get your chair out and put it on.
Okay.
Don't put it by the motor because I need to put my control chair there.
Let's put the chairs on the...
Watch out.
Okay, I'll put mine in front of yours.
Oops.
Yay.
Okay, ready?
I look like a little kid.
Wait, it's like a speedboat.
Look
Where's
at
the
that little
motor
piece.
going?
What the heck?
Look at the motor. What? What is going on?
Oh my god.
Am I the only one who sees this? I feel like I am. We can't move.
Oh my god.
No. Maybe it's because it wasn't really fully on? I don't know. Now I can't steer. What is going on? Just jump off. Jump off. Because I don't
We'll
want to...
die.
I know. That's the point. Because we don't want to be on a boat that will just do that. Okay. I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Ah! That was funny.
Oh my god.
Now we gotta rebuild a boat. I don't really care about a houseboat anymore. Okay. Let me just start building. Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop.
Here, you want 2 motors?
It won't work, so we can't do that.
Okay, then I'll build one too. I'll have wood.
Okay. Wait, why are you building your own?
I'll make it look like yours.
Okay.
So if we come back and we don't have one... Oh, dang it.
Wait, Chloe, that won't work.
What won't work?
Because the boat will come with us unless you drive it onto land. Hello?
Build a boat for treasure. If the will try to kill me, gonna kill him for the treasure.
Oh, jeez. Chloe?
What is up with your boat?
I don't know. I just think it looks cool.
Heck, you look at it from this way? Looks like Squidward.
Boop.
We need to make a handsome Squidward boat.
And
Ew!
boom.
You killed me.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Handsome Squidward boat.
I don't have art for that. Hold on, move. Watch out, Chloe. I gotta get rid of that. Boop. Get off of my head!
No. I have to get rid of this or we're gonna get demonetized.
What?
I need to get rid of this boat.
Oh, I know. Jeez, Chloe.
What?
Why?
Why what?
Watch out. Or else we're gonna become part of the boat.
What
What
needs
you
to
built?
be?
Why? Doesn't that look amazing?
What's the point of it?
That's the window! To the windows. To the
What is this
windows.
supposed to be?
I don't know. It's just for fun, I guess. And then this is my favorite thing. Stand on it.
Ugly.
Oh, come on, Chloe.
What?
You didn't stand on it correctly. There. You should put your chair on it.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I did.
Get a chair. I'm going to put my chair on it.
And then I gotta put on the motor real quick.
I put my chair on the wrong way and it won't even work.
Yes, it will. See? Oh. Ow.
Oh my god, that's going through my face.
I can't put it down. There. No. Go down.
My chair is not going.
I can't do anything about that, so. Okay, ready? There. Okay, you ready to go?
Wait. I'm going to put a seat on here.
Yes.
This is so ugly.
Not going. Nope. Sorry. Cancelled. Nope. Scurry. We're going the opposite way. Hey, no. What? What just happened?
What is it doing?
I'm trying to turn around. This way. We're getting treasure by stealing. Let's see their terrible boats. We're on land. Bree. Your boat's terrible. Oh, that's actually pretty good.
It's a lot better than yours.
He's a Karen. He's Karen off of SpongeBob. I don't even know how I know that. I think it's just because I've seen it in SpongeBob. I don't know why. Let's go look at other people's boats, I guess. What is yours? Oh God, it's just a tower.
I made
that's the
one
flag.
before they just stink.
What's the flag? Oh, their boat has already gone. Their boat's gone. What? We gotta look at theirs. They don't even have one. Terrible, I say. Terrible. Okay, should we go? I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Let's look at. I don't wanna. I wanna look at this. There's nothing. Chloe! Don't do that. Now you're low on health, so you'll die faster. I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. I can't see anything. It was a bad idea to build the front wall. Making sure there's not rock. Oh, I didn't know you gained health back in this game. I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful. This is actually pretty easy so far.
What is that elevator doing?
I don't know. It's just been doing that the whole time, Chloe.
Whoa! Should jump on top of one of those rocks.
They break. No! See?
Yeah, especially if you run into them and ruin your boat.
That's what I'm trying not to do. Oh, Jesus! Chloe?
What are you doing?
I can't control it. There. You don't know what's going on behind these black things. I'm scared to look. What? Oh my God! How are you supposed to get past this?
What is it doing?
We lost the engine!
No!
No!
Oh my god!
No! Chloe! Why am I not losing health? See?
Ah!
Oh. No. No!
Ah! Oh
No!
no! Ah!
I died.
Oh my god!
Oh, you died too?
How did that happen?
I have an idea for a boat. Ready? Done.
Beautiful.
Oh, wait, no, I need another block so you can have a seat too. Done. Okay, let's get ready to go. Bling. Chloe!
Wait 1 second.
What are you doing?
Making a boat.
Why aren't you getting on mine?
Just wait.
You better not connect it. I don't want it connected.
Why not?
Guys, I only want this. Fine, I'll just replace you with this.
Ah!
It's better anyways. I can't. No! I can't lift. Poopy.
Look at my boat.
Thank you. Oh, Chloe, you're not going to be able to drive. Well, look
Ah!
anyways. I'm coming.
I can drive.
You can't drive?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, you can.
Hurry up, Mo.
I'm right here. I'm past you. Or not anymore.
Oh, this is so hard to steer.
I know.
Hey! That's me. Oh.
What the heck?
Ah! Why are rocks disappearing? Oh, God.
Chloe, I think you're on your side.
Disappearing.
Ah! Maybe someone just went.
Oh, my God. What is wrong?
You lost your engine. Oh, jeez.
At this point,
It's easier when
You're
I
not
have more
working.
than 2 blocks, so that's why I did this.
I died.
Well, that's what you get for not getting on my boat. I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. I haven't even hit anything yet. And that's why I make a small boat, because a big boat hits everything. What was that? I'm guessing there was something there. That's
Okay, I'll
great.
prepare up the boat.
What? Oh no, I'm missing the front. How do you get past this part? That's my question. I'm dying! There's no way that's possible. I'm coming. Chloe, no. What are you doing? Oh. What is this?
You said build a tiny boat.
That's not what I meant. But I guess it will have to work.
There you go. There's a chair for you.
I control it. Wait. Oh, I can't control it. Because I'm using the wrong seat. You're the one who has to sit there. I think. I don't know.
Actually, wait. Ah! Don't put that there. No, you can't.
No, I can't what?
Okay, wait. Okay, take that away. So then I can put a chair there.
No, you can still drive. You can still steer it.
Get down.
No.
Get down.
No. I'm standing up here and you can't do anything about it. What? I guess that works. I'm probably gonna fall off as soon as it starts because it's not connected. That's funny. You can still steer. Put your chair down.
Okay, just wait. I'm gonna wait for that thing to go down.
What thing? This? Oh no, Chloe. Chloe, no! I'm gonna fall off because I'm not connected. I knew it! We're connected.
Can you steer?
What the heck happened?
Whoa, try to steer. Ah!
No! The boat went the wrong way! It pushed the boat down. Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That was funny. Well, I think we're gonna end the video here, guys. Bye.